Hey, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So, after checking your page, I see that you're saying that the button has disappeared, right? So, if we go into your funnel, the only reason why this might be happening because you have the button here. So, just by switching this to from this, rather from this to this, it shouldn't cause that issue unless if you're using a custom code, which can maybe have that problem. So two things I'd advise is the first one is delete this thing here. So basically just create another one or something. You can perhaps clone it and then delete this one. So just do it again, like clone and then delete the old one. And then you save, clear your cache and your cookies, and then you test it. Okay. If that doesn't work, you can go into the integration here, remove that other one and put in HTML form and put in existing form. This will help us reset the page, and then put in pause and save web form. It's going to show you connected, and then you go out, you click on save, you give it like 10 seconds, you go back in, you click on integrations, and then you just remove this integration you had just created. Click on that, click on save, go back, click on integrations, set up the one that you had before. So let's say it's MailChimp. I didn't check it properly, but add to list. Maybe this is the list, and then that's it. And you go ahead and you click on save. And then you see if it works, if the button is showing. If the button is not showing, then this is probably from your custom code. But before we do the custom code too as well, trying to find a way to avoid removing your custom code. So click on this get icon here and just put a 1 in front of this free samples and scroll down, click on update page, and if that doesn't work, then definitely we need to remove the custom code. So what you do is you go to settings, you go to custom code, and you just take it off, put it on a notepad or something. Make sure there's no tracking code as well, because that can also cause an issue. And then you click on save, and then you test it and you see if this button comes up again. But really, for you to be able to submit the page and have it save your information and work properly, it should be on submit order or submit for. So I hope that answers your question. Let me know if that works. Bye for now.